Potato chips have become more than just a snack. They're a staple in every household and a guilty pleasure enjoyed by people of all ages. At the heart of this crunchy empire is Lay's, a brand known for delivering taste, quality, and consistency in every bite. But how exactly does a humble potato transform into a perfectly crisp Lay's chip? Welcome to Food Factory, where today we'll take you on a step-by-step journey inside the world of Lay's. From fields to frying pans, from sorting lines to seasoning drums, we reveal the secrets behind your favorite chips. Get ready, because what you're about to see might just make you appreciate snack time a whole lot more. Sourcing the right potato every Lay's chip starts its life on a farm. But not just any farm, and not just any potato. Lay's partners with dedicated farmers across over 25 states in the U.S. These farms don't grow your typical grocery store potatoes. They cultivate specific types designed to create the perfect chip, high in starch, low in sugar, and with thin skins. These characteristics ensure crisp texture, light color, and minimal waste during peeling. The planting begins in early spring. Farmers sell seed potatoes that sprout underground and grow over the next 3 to 4 months. When summer arrives, it's harvest time. Massive harvesting machines dig up the tubers and separate them from soil, rocks, and stems. Trucks then haul the fresh potatoes to large cold storage units where their journey to becoming chips begins, chilling and preserving freshness once harvested. Potatoes don't head straight to the fryer. First, they spend weeks or sometimes months in massive cold storage rooms. These storage units maintain a cool temperature of around 45 degrees Fahrenheit and about 85% humidity. Why is this important? Cold, dark, and humid environments keep potatoes from sprouting and help maintain the ideal internal moisture content. Plus, it locks in that farm-fresh taste until the factory is ready to cook them. When production lines are ready, forklifts transfer crates from the storage units to washing stations. Here's where the factory magic begins. Arrival and first cleanse at the factory. The potatoes are unloaded using hydraulic tilters that allow gravity to pour thousands of spuds onto the conveyor belts. The first step, a deep clean. As the potatoes tumble down the conveyor, they enter a washing tunnel. High-pressure water sprays, paired with rotating brushes, scrub away the remaining dirt, soil, and any lingering plant debris. This ensures a sanitary and clean-based product for the next stages. Right after, the potatoes are scanned by high-speed optical sorting machines that identify and remove damaged or irregular ones. Only the best spuds make the cut. Industrial scale. Peeling after a thorough wash, the clean potatoes move into large, rotating drum peelers. These industrial machines are lined with coarse surfaces and work together with high-pressure water jets. The abrasive walls gently scrub away the skins, without damaging the inner flesh, which helps maintain the potato's shape and volume. This peeling method is fast and effective, ensuring thousands of potatoes are ready for slicing every hour. To ensure top quality, the peeled potatoes undergo another round of inspection. This time, high-speed cameras scan each potato in real time to catch any remaining skin, dark spots, or imperfections. If a potato doesn't meet the standards, it's automatically removed from the line by mechanical arms or air bursts. These rejected potatoes are usually repurposed or sent for animal feed, so nothing goes to waste. This dual-step process, mechanical peeling and optical sorting, guarantees that only clean, smooth, defect-free potatoes proceed to the next stage. It's a critical checkpoint in delivering consistent, high-quality Lay's chips every single time, slicing to precision. At this point, the potato begins its transformation into a chip. The freshly peeled potatoes are sent into high-speed drum slicers equipped with ultra-sharp rotating blades. These machines cut the potatoes into thin, even slices, each less than 2 millimeters thick. This specific thickness isn't random. Lay's has carefully engineered this standard to deliver the ideal texture: crisp, light, and never soggy. If the slices are too thick, they won't fry evenly. Too thin, and they might burn or curl up too much. For classic chips, straight blades, are used, while wavy or ridged chips use zigzag blades to give them their signature texture. To maintain consistency, workers regularly measure and inspect the slices. The goal is to achieve a gentle curl, not too flat, not too folded. It's a delicate balance between art and science, ensuring each slice is ready to take on the next. Critical stage: rinsing and preparing for the perfect fry. Rinsing and surface. Preparation before frying. There's one more crucial step: rinsing. The raw slices are passed through multiple water baths to remove excess surface starch. This ensures they don't clump together when frying and that the oil coats them evenly. Then dried with high-speed air blowers or vacuum systems to remove any leftover moisture. This keeps the chips from becoming greasy and ensures an even fry. Frying for crisp perfection next. The slices make their way into a massive continuous fryer. This oil-filled system is 40 feet long and runs at about 350 degrees Fahrenheit. As the slices travel through the oil, moisture from the potato turns to steam and escapes. The oil takes its place, giving the chips that signature crunch. The frying process takes around 3 minutes, depending on the potato starch and water content. Quality control systems constantly monitor temperature, oil freshness, and frying time. Too long and the chips burn. Too short and they're undercooked. To maintain oil balance, the system is replenished regularly, keeping it at a consistent 50% fresh and 50% used blend to achieve optimal flavor. Deoiling and inspection once the chips exit the fryer, they're still hot and coated with excess oil. To prevent greasiness and ensure a better texture, they are carried across vibrating conveyor belts. These vibrations are fine-tuned to gently shake off the surplus oil without damaging the fragile chips. This stage also helps cool the chips slightly before they move forward. Since the chips are now cooked and crisp, they're incredibly fragile. That's why every conveyor is specially designed to handle them delicately, minimizing breakage during transport. Next, the chips move through an advanced optical inspection system. This high-speed scanner checks each chip for color, shape, and texture. Any chips that are too dark, burnt, or irregular are instantly removed using targeted air puffs. These flawed chips don't go to waste. They're typically repurposed as animal feed or used in other ways. Only the best-looking, golden chips make it to the next step: seasoning. This critical step guarantees every bag of Lay's contains only the crispiest and most appealing chips. Flavoring the chips: what's a chip without flavor? The golden chips now enter rotating seasoning drums. These giant cylinders gently tumble the chips, while flavor powders are sprayed through nozzles or sprinkled in controlled portions. The seasoning isn't just salt. Lay's produces hundreds of flavors for different markets, from barbecue to cheddar, jalapeno to regional specialties like India's magic masala or China's cucumber flavor. The tumblers ensure an even coat on every chip. Quality technicians frequently sample the chips to make sure the taste is consistent with Lay's standards. Weighing and bagging: the seasoned chips now move up bucket elevators to multi-head weighing machines. These smart systems calculate the exact weight for each packet. Each bucket releases a precise quantity of chips into forming tubes below. Bags are formed from rolls of printed film filled with chips, flushed with nitrogen gas to preserve freshness, and sealed shut. The nitrogen doesn't just prevent spoilage, it also cushions the chips during shipping, giving you that iconic air-filled bag. Final packaging and delivery sealed bags are automatically grouped, packed into cartons, and sealed. Robotic arms or skilled workers handle the packing. Depending on the factory's automation level, the cartons are then loaded onto pallets, wrapped in stretch film for protection, and sent to distribution centers. From there, the chips are delivered to stores, restaurants, vending machines, and eventually into your snack bowl. The entire process, from potato to package, is monitored and tested at multiple stages to ensure Lay's chips meet the highest quality standards. And that's the real behind-the-scenes look at how Lay's potato chips are made in factory. From farm-fresh potatoes to the seasoned snack that hits your shelf, it's a complex mix of precision engineering, food science, and flavor mastery. Here at Food Factory, We love exploring how everyday food items come to life. If you found this fascinating, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss another behind-the-scenes tour of your favorite foods. Have a favorite Lay's flavor or an idea for the next episode? Drop it in the comments below. Until next time, keep crunching and keep watching Food Factory.